Some whiffs I totally forgot about. 2 KONE MonoSpace MRLs at Melbourne Central Shopping Centre.
Please stand clear of the doorway.
Doors closing.
Maximum load 1200 kilos, 16 persons. We'll do a cat.
Car park 3. Doors opening. Going up. Doors closing.
Macquarie Centre voice, that's nice.
Lower ground floor. Doors opening.
Totally forgot about these.
Going down. Doors closing. Car park 3. Doors opening. Going up.
See if we can get a chime.
Clear of the doorway.
Doors closing. Doors opening.
There we go.
Going up. Doors closing. Lower ground floor. Doors opening.
There they are. There it goes.
Doors closing.
There it goes. That's it.